Listen to the sound of the river. Listen to nature. Yeah, feel the vibe, feel the therapy. Wow. Hey guys, welcome again. This is Experience with Kakatimo. Hey, thank you for those who subscribe to this channel, and those who are still subscribing, kindly do so. Let us join hands in growing this journey where we are just going to learn and experience a lot of life together. Be it doing road trips, showing various places and exploring. It's just experience with Kakatimo. If you really love anything to do with the lifestyle, anything adventures, just feel free to be here because you are at a safer place. And guys, today this is now my second video. Then in my previous video, guys, I showed you the Sunday evening routine within Juja and it's the resident what they love doing in the evening of a Sunday. Today I'm still in Juja, as you can see behind me. This Jomo Kenyatta Institute of Agriculture and Technology, or rather university. You remember we did a Sunday routine there. I'm somewhere, you can see, I'm just in somewhere within nature. And today actually I want to show you that if you are in Juja and you are that nature loving guy, you know there are those people who live in rural and they say that being in the cities, like, because you know Juja is in Kiambu County, which is just few kilometers from Nairobi. So it's just considered as a metropolitan within Nairobi. So it's just like being within a city. And most people perceive that being in a city is just about concrete things, but they don't know that there are just other places you can extend yourself towards to and feel that nature vibe, like you are in a real rural resident. Now we are in Juja, a place called Kashoro, but we want to extend interiorly so that we can get to experience something interior which is just close to the city, but it gives you that rural vibe, and you can really get connected to nature, feel the vibe of natural things like rivers, trees, just slope of the land, topography, how it is, just a real rural vibe. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please kindly do so. And let us show you, let us experience this together, because it's a place that I feel is a game changer. If you stay within Juja, or you can manage to get to Juja, it's a place where you can get yourself to. You feel that therapy of being within nature. You know, nature offers a very, very good therapy. And what I'm going to show you is just a therapeutic nature environment. And guys, let us walk together to this place. Just few kilometers from Juja town, you get to a place called Kashoro, and then we move interior so that you can get to this very, very nice and amazing place. Guys, as you can see, behind me is the Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology. Maybe I show you this way, the institute. That's the fence, and then inside you can see, for those who know here. But this is a place called Kashororo, guys. You can see those are the residentials of Kashororo. We see, can we call it estate or something like that? Those are residential houses. You can see there is a church there. Also, there is another church there. Also, there is another church there. And there is a lot of churches around here, guys. So, but despite being a place that has a lot of churches, people are so into religion. But now let me take you to a place of therapy. Let me just show you how nature looks like. Just don't leave, follow to the end so that you can enjoy the therapeutic part of this video. Guys, this Kakatimo and the experience with Kakatimo. Subscribe, like and share with your friends, guys. Yes, now we are on the route toward this very beautiful place, but as we go, let me take you along because we are experiencing as well the route toward this nice nature and therapeutic area. But as you can observe, we are on this route. That's Jaikwat, guys. Yeah, and in front of me I think that is a church. I don't know, AIC. Yeah, I think it's AIC. Yeah, guys, this is the route towards where we are going. We are just coming from this side. This is a route going to Juja town, passing by Jquat. Then this is the route going where I'm taking you. We are just moving deep down to the rural areas, guys. This is Kashororo residential areas. Let me take you guys. People just going to church, moving up and down. Nothing less, nothing more. It's just our usual Sunday morning. And I feel like going to have a certain therapy down there. This is Kashororo Hospital. This is Kashororo Hospital. This is another route going down there. And this is the route we are taking, guys. This is Kashororo Hospital. You can see this water tank here. Yeah, Kashororo Hospital. If you know the place, you know. Now you know where we are going. Yeah, we are almost there, guys. Just moving and cruising, guys. Another route there. Another one. You can see where we are coming from. We are coming from that side there. And now we are going this way, guys. Still cruising over. We are now past Kashororo Hospital or Health Center. Yeah, I will also do a video about the Kashororo Health Center if we get time. So kindly, for you to motivate me to do anything about that, subscribe to the channel, like and share, guys, so that I will be motivated to do some content like those. Yeah, let us cruise over and see what is down there. Let me show you where we are going, guys. People say that town is far from nature because of the concrete nature of the city. But now, as we are exploring, we realize that there are places that are just near the city, near the big town, and you can just go deep inside or interiorly and experience a good vibe of the rural areas or the nature thing. So yeah, let me take you there. Now let me show you where we are going. We are going there, but down there. You see? Yeah. Let me take you there. There. Let us see what it has to offer us today, guys. Remember to subscribe to this channel, like, and comment what you think. Have you ever been to such a place? And by the way, this place just few kilometers from the Thika super highway. Just from Juja town. Yes, just from Juja town, you just move few kilometers via an estate called Kashororo. You get down here, and there is a place called Naruko something, Naruko Kware. Down it, or at its slope, you will realize that nature meets adventure. This is another road going to deep down rurally. You can see. Now we are taking this one, guys. You can see this aquare here. Let me show you guys. You can see this is aquare. Mine. How can I show you guys? Which angle? You know, that is water inside this quarry. You can see that is water. Yeah, that is water. It was left that way. You can see we are coming from this side. This is a quarry here. Now we are going this way. Let us move down there so that we can see how therapeutic the place is. Yeah, so if you are a nature loving person like I am, I think this place is super nice for you to have that experience. And whenever you are free, you can come, listen to nature. Yeah, feel the vibe, feel the therapy. And it's not much far from Juja town, as you can see. Now we are, anyone watching this clip here, you can feel like I am in my rural home, in my Iala village. But actually, I'm not. I'm just few kilometers from Juja town. Yeah, and the place looks super nice. Yeah, it feels like rural, but it is not actually. Yes, Nyaje. Yeah, it got very nice vibe, as you can see, guys. Look at this, guys. You feel the ambience and you feel that nature vibing within you. The energy field changes. This is what we talk about, meeting a real nature game. Yes, Hussein. Those are people in the quarry. Wow! Look at this, guys. Wow. We are going down. Wow. Wow. I'm less of words. Look at this, guys. Check the ambience. Check out. You won't believe this, guys. I'm just deep down within nature. And from where I am, it's just few kilometers from Thika superhighway this way. This river, I think it's called River Ndaruko, something like that. As you can see, I don't know the name of the river, guys. Yeah, but it crosses over the Thika superhighway at a place called Ndaruko, but it comes from this way. Hey, this is real nature, guys. Eh? Listen to the sound of the river. Peace. Wow, I'm climbing, guys. Subscribe. I want just to end this video here, and I hope you have enjoyed all the clips, all the sceneries within this video. This just to explore more as we experience. Remember, it is experience with the Kakatimo, and I'm Kakatimo from Kenya, East Africa, if you are watching it from outside the country, and I'm trying to bring the vibe together for you guys so that you can experience this together in nature, exploring. We will be also doing road trips, guys, if you support me by subscribing to this channel and making us grow as a community. And my question is, if you get a chance to be in Juja, will you have just a chance, or will you dedicate some of your time to come and have a good time in such a places where adventure meets nature, and it is very therapeutic, guys? You see, just at the farthest end there, at the farthest end there, there is super highway there, just few kilometers from the Thika super highway, but you get to be absorbed with the rural vibe. What do you think about this video? Remember to leave your comment, subscribe if you haven't, share this video and like it, guys, so that we can meet in the next adventure with good energy. I've been your explorer Kakatimo, and this is Experience with Kakatimo. Thank you, guys. Let me see you in the next video.